Good morning, everyone.
Hopefully you guys are doing Gucci.
Yes, so today we're going on a morning walk. Yes, still morning. And we're going to see if we can find some cherry blossom trees, right? Yes. So
We
come
already
on.
found 3. Oh, another one.
Yes, one
Yeah,
more.
4.
We'll show you guys as
5.
we get close to it.
5.
Okay? So don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Of
Of course. We'll keep you guys posted. And we're here. Look how beautiful and clean the water looks.
almost fell.
Careful. So we come every once in a while to the creek and we clean it, and now it looks very good.
But there's still some trash.
Still some trash because from up where it comes, it's not as clean as it should be. Oh, watch out.
I'm fine.
Alright, be careful, okay?
Going in the water. To the other side.
Ay, don't get in
I
that
can't
one.
get in that one.
So it rained a little bit. There's a bit more trash. What we're going to do is try to clean it again. We'll keep you posted. Look, you guys. What a beautiful thing. Guys, she found a fairy rock.
Mommy tells me that fairy rocks are white and look like crystals. But this is a fairy rock. Told you.
Yes, my grandpa once told me a story that
We do a
fairies would come during a foggy night and drop fairy
white
rocks.
And yesterday was a fairy night, and I found my first lucky rock.
Yes, she had found her
Wait,
first lucky rock.
I see a second rock.
She had found one more. Look.
A pink one. Mommy also told me that they also drop off color rocks.
And yes, that's a very special one because she found it in the creek. Her very special place. Look, guys, I love these vine trees. These are like my
I'm
favorite
putting
ones.
it in my secret pocket.
And she got a secret pocket. And we're going to keep on going. We're going to give you...
Wait for me.
Yeah. Look. Yay.
Is this one?
Look.
Is this one?
Yes.
Yes.
Yay, she found one
Leaving
more.
it for somebody else.
And she left it for somebody else. Don't forget to take that trash out. That one. No, take the bag. Be careful. Look, you guys. Look, there's one white rock right here.
Nice and shiny.
Mm-hmm.
I want people to also come and visit the creek, so I'm leaving it for somebody else too.
Okay.
Let's see, where should I throw it?
You should put it in a special place. So every time we come over here, it's really, well, since now it's spring, now the trees have a lot more flowers. See?
And now I found 3 of them. 3 of the fairy rocks.
And she had found 3 of the fairy rocks.
But it was in the mud.
It was in the mud.
Yeah, over there. But it was dirt.
So while we go walk down the creek, we keep on cleaning it so the ducks can come and we can see some baby duckies. Yeah. And I found something in here. I wonder what it is. Oh, look, there's there's a crawfish right there, right there, right there. See, it's a baby crawfish.
It's a baby crawfish.
Yeah, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. Careful.
Where did it go?
It's right there.
Okay, got it. Okay, come on, help me. No, it's
we'll
just
try to
a
take it out
rock.
and show you guys. Hold on.
It's just.
Oh, guys, we found a dead crawfish.
Is it? Is it dead?
Yeah, somebody killed it.
No, those bad people.
She's right there.
No.
No, it's not dead. It actually molted.
It was molting,
No,
man.
sorry. Probably it's not the right word to put it. Probably a moved shell. That's probably what happened. Look, you guys, we found more. They're actually removing their old shell and getting new shells.
I'm making them float.
And there's a lot more right here.
Huh?
Oh, there it is. There it is.
See, they're molting. Oh, there's a can.
Oh, there's a can. Oh, they live in the can.
Don't move the can.
Oh, look.
What?
I want to take that can off because it's harming them.
No, but they live in the can.
But I should leave them? I don't know.
They
Tell
live
me,
in
what
the
should I do?
can.
Leave the can on or remove it? Tell us in the comments. And now we're going to go under the bridge, and which I like because there is a little birdie nest in here.
Mama,
Right there. Yes,
Mama.
yes.
that was not actually a crawfish. It was just dead skin.
Yes. We found
No,
dead skin on it.
dead
Alright,
skin.
so we're going under the bridge. It's kind of creepy, but we're going under the bridge. But look, guys, a little nest. I wish I could have seen actual little birds in there, but luckily they're all gone, ground and everything. And look, the creek looks a lot better. It has a lot of leaves, but I can't do much about them. But it doesn't have a lot of plastic like it used to be before. So yeah,
Look,
we're doing good.
A water spider.
There's a water spider. Oh, guys, look. There's a water spider. There we go. There he goes.
It's right there.
Yay.
It's still there.
I know.
I also
Look, guys, the water
I
has
just saw a crawfish. It went like zoom into that right there.
Wow. The water looks very oily. We got to do something about that. The water is not flowing, so we're going to make an opening so the water can flow
No, it's because
nicely. Good job moving that stuff. But now the problem is that it's not moving out of here.
I know why. How do you get this out?
See, all of these. We're going to get it cleared and show you guys when we're done. Okay? So I cleaned a little bit and now it is floating a little bit more. Look. There is a big tire over here that I'm not able to take out. But look, I wish I could get some help to get it out. But not a lot of people like to do what I do. And of course my daughter cannot help me because she's too small.
Mama,
And look, the water looks a lot better.
tree worms in the water.
And look, found more trees.
Mama, I found some tree worms in the water.
Uh-oh.
Which
Oh,
are
look.
these?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Look, we found some crawfish around here.
Where?
Let's see if we can get them to go up. Crawfish, come out. I want to see you. So our friends can see you
Did
guys.
somebody forget about me?
No, we did not, of course.
They're facing the
And we came back. Look. Ah, the tree has caught me. Wow.
Not the tree loves me.
The tree loves me. And me.
Ow!
She wants to swing, but she has a creep. No, no swinging because you're going to hurt the tree. Please don't do that.
I'm sorry.
All right, you guys. Let's see, where else can we go? We found a big stick. We got it out, guys. We got it out.
Oh my
And
God! Don't go
we
over
found
there.
we found a
Middle.
metal pole. We took it out. Yay! If you guys subscribe to our channel and give us some comments and stuff, we'll try and go into under this big bridge, but only if you guys subscribe, give us comments, likes, follow us,
And subscribe!
hey,
Woo!
woo. And if you guys do that, we'll cross the tunnel. Yes. Yep, she got a good point. I need rain boots. I don't have no rain boots. I still have ugly tennies.
Mommy.
Guys, Juliet found something.
There's like a toy.
It's like a toy. Let's try to get it out. Ooh, looks like a plastic toy.
And you know how much I kind of sort of like plastic toys.
Right,
Well,
let's
of
see.
course I like plastic toys because I have a Barbie that is plastic.
Oh, guess what it is, guys? It's a
A
water
toy
gun.
It's a toy gun. Hold on, watch
The
it.
first, oh, watch out, watch out, watch out.
I didn't
Our
know.
first found of the day is a little
A
toy
water
gun. Yep.
Look. It's a water gun. But how do you play with it? Like, there's no thingy to, like, spray it. It's
Probably
a water
not.
gun.
I don't know. We'll leave it there.
Like, it's...
We should put it in the trash. It's
No.
plastic.
No.
Look, you guys, we're under beautiful, 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 beautiful trees. This creek looks amazing. Look,
I swung here.
you swung where?
Here, to get here.
Nice. Yay.
Come on.
This looks beautiful.
Look, I really like this rock. Mama, find a four-leaf clover.
She found a four-leaf clover. Let's see. Which one? Let me see. Whoa, guys, look. She found a four-leaf clover. Yay! She got the luckiest day today. We're walking up again because she wants to go up again. So we'll go. Look. These trees are beautiful. Look how amazing they look. Majestic trees. And there she goes. She loves coming to the creek. Look at this beauty. And she's up there. And I'm down here. Oh, this is nasty. This is my favorite part of the creek. Looking at it with no trash. Beautiful. Look at the wall of it. Looks amazing. Found trash though. I wish everybody could do what we do to clean our waters. Everything would be a lot different than what it is now. But not a lot of people like it. Everybody think that some of us were crazy and stuff. But no, we're not. We just like to have our waters cleaned. Yep. For our fish, our ducks, because they make nature look beautiful. You know, which that's how it should be. You know, and if we all would be doing that, it would be a different story. We wouldn't be having the pandemics that we have, the flus that we have. But If only one person is doing it, it's making a bit of a difference. But if a lot of people would do it, a lot of people would join, it would be a totally different story.
Follow Mommy and Roblox.
And follow us, TikTok, Instagram, and she said Roblox too. She wants some friends to play. Let's see if I can make it. Yeah, I made it. This is her favorite spot. She loves that spot. Hey you guys, I want to go up there. I'll show you. Up there, up the creek. I don't know if you guys can see. To see how is it going. But there's a lot of dirt over there, so we can take out dirt, meaning plastic and nastiness that shouldn't be in the water. I want to go and clean that up. I want to see if we can do that. I don't know. I don't think I wanted to go there too, but there's no way. Like there's no passage. That way is a little bit risky, and it's a lot of trees, and I don't have nothing to move them or cut them off.
There's poison ivy over there.
There's a plastic box. Can you please throw it over there
Where?
so we can take it out?
Wait,
Behind you.
it's right here.
Yeah. She's trying to find a way, you guys, to go see if we can cross it, but I don't think we can. Look, she found something.
Fresh.
That's like a wooden piece, no?
No, this is fresh. And look. Mom, I got a bee. Bee.
There's a bee. She's terrified of bees. Who wouldn't be, right? They stink pretty bad, but they're very good for the nature.
Like how
Bees.
they did to me.
Yes. But bees are very important for nature.
Yes. They make
Very
They
important.
make my honey.
They make our honey, and they spread out the pollen, so all the trees can have flowers and fruits. So yes, they are very important. You know?
I want to do it. Can I do it?
No. Look, you guys. It looks so pretty. So with the last of our video, we're going to show you one another of our cherry blossom trees.
Those aren't cherry blossoms.
Yes, they are.
No. Cherry blossoms are pink.
Oh, my bad. I didn't know.
Those are white.
Those are white blossoms.
Mm-hmm.
Like which one?
That one.
True. Hey guys.
And subscribe to our channel.
Yes. Don't forget to give us some good comments
And good likes.
and good likes.
Make sure that like is blue.
Make sure the like is blue. Or whatever color the like is.
Blue.
Okay. Don't forget. Subscribe.
To our channel.
Yay.